Good morning, 12th standard students. Today the first chapter numericals. Example number 1 is a fan is rotating at 90 rotations per minute. 1 minute is the 90 rotation. It is then switched off. Those times the switch off is stop. The fan means it stops after 21 reset. 21 round. Calculate the time taken by it. How many time is taken for this stop the fan? Assuming that the frictional torque is constant, means the angular acceleration is the constant. N0 is the frequency, 90 rotation per minute. Per minute, this is not a SI unit. For the first, the minute is converted to the second. 1 minute is the 60 seconds, so 90 divided by 60 rotation per second. Now next. 0 cut 9 upon 6 is equal to 1.5 rotation per second. Now the angular velocity, initial angular velocity is the 2 pi into frequency, 2 pi into 1.5. So 1.5 into 2, 3 pi radian per second. Radian per second, this is the angular velocity SI unit. Now the angle through which the blade, for the fan blade of the fan move while stopping, those time for the angle is theta is equal to 2 pi capital N. Capital N is the number of total revolution. This is the 21. So 2 into 21, 42 pi, and angular displacement SI unit radian. Final angular velocity is 0. Since fan is the stop, because the fan is the stop, using kinematic equation of angular motion, first equation omega is equal to omega 0 plus alpha t, and third equation omega square is equal to omega 0 square. Omega 0 is the initial, omega is the final, plus 2 theta alpha. Alpha is the constant, the term for the alpha, omega minus omega 0 upon t, and alpha is equal to omega square minus omega 0 square upon 2 theta. Next, for the compare equation number 1 and 2, this is for the left hand side is the alpha, so omega minus omega 0 upon t is equal to omega square minus omega 0 square upon 2 theta. Put the value of the omega, final angular velocity is the 0, initial velocity omega 0 is the 3 pi, t is the final out, same as it is. Yeah, final omega is the 0 square and omega 0 is the 3 pi square upon 2 into theta. Theta value is the 42 pi. Now 0 minus means minus 3 pi upon t, 0 square 0, minus 3 square is the 9, pi square upon 84 pi, minus minus cancel. So 3 pi upon t is equal to 9 pi square upon 84 upon 5. Then numerator for the denominator 3 upon 3 pi, so here for the 84 pi upon 9 pi square. So what is the t is equal to 84 into 3 pi into pi square upon 9 pi square cancel, 3 1 is 3, 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 to the 6, 8 minus 6, 2, 24, 3 8 is 24. So how many time requirement? 28 seconds. T is equal to 28 seconds. This is the first numerical for this type, used for the revolution round for the angular velocity, stop and initial velocity. Now next example, a motorcycle is to be treated as a point mass is to undertake horizontal circles inside the cylindrical wall. Cylindrical wall for the cylinder types. of a where. For the where means for the where everywhere. This is the of this कुएं की दीवार. Of a where of inner radius inside of the radius is 4 meter of the where. Coefficient of static friction between the tires and the wall. Motorcycles, the tires and the wall for this is 0.4 and coefficient static friction is no unit. Calculate the minimum speed and frequency necessary to perform this stunt. This position is the how much for the minimum speed and frequency. Use G. Here the G is the constant for the 9.8 meter per second square, but this numerical is the solve for the simple. So G is the value is given 10 meter per second square. First the given. What is the given? Given is the radius is the 4 meter, μs is the coefficient friction 0.4, g is the 10 meter per second square, v minimum is equal to question mark, minimum speed. You know velocity is the root rg upon μs. For the previous, for the derivation also and for the aerodynamic standard also, put the value of the radius 4 into 10, g is the 10 and μs is the 0.4. 0.4 is the decimal removed, so 4 is the 40, 4 10 the 40, 10 into 10, 100, root 100, minimum velocity is the 10 meter per second. And for the second is the minimum frequency. The minimum frequency is the best formula in the form of the linear velocity is the v upon circumference of the wave. V upon the v minimum divided by 2 pi r. V minimum value from the first step 10 upon 2 into pi, r is the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10, 5 upon 4 pi, 5 upon 4 pi value is the 3.14. 5 upon 12.56, this is equal to 0.3980, approximately 0.4 revolution per second. This is the frequency of the minimum. Answer number 2 and answer number 1 is the 10 meter per second. Now, example number 4. Example number 4, very simple. A racing track. See the notes also was in the PDF. A racing track of curvature 9.9 meter is banked at tan inverse 0.5. This is the banking of road. Coefficient of static friction between the track and the tire of vehicle is 0.2. Determine the speed limits with 10% margin. Find out the V minimum first, V maximum first, and V minimum is allow for the increase the 10% and for the V maximum for the decrease for the 10%. Theta is angular displacement given tan inverse 0.5. What is tan theta? 0.5. You know for the mathematical extrusion. Coefficient friction is the mu s is equal to 0.2 and the radius is given for the track of curvature r is equal to 9.9 meter and g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Because the write on the bracket for the g is equal to 10 gravity 10 meter per second square. So find out the v mean allowed after for the 10% and v maximum allowed after for the 10% question mark. From the banking road, V minimum formula root Rg under root of the R into G bracket tan theta minus u mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan theta. Put the value of the R is the 9. R is the 9.9 into 10 theta is a 0.5, mu s is a 0.2, 1 plus mu s 0.2 into 0.5 under root total. 9.9 into 10, 99. 99 1 the 99, 0 after 1 decimal, so this is the 99. 0.5 minus 0.2, 0.3, and 1 plus 0.2 into 0.5, 0.1. 1 plus 0.1 is the 1.1. So here for this, the decimal point is the remote, 3 upon 81. 81 1 the 81, 81 9 the 99. 9 into 3. The root is equal to root under root of the 27. And the root of the 27, you solve for this 5.196 meter per second. This is the minimum allowed for the 10% higher increase. So how much for this? V minimum allowed. The V minimum multiplied by 10% means the 110 divided by 100. V minimum 5.196. 5.196 00 cut. For the 81 upon 10, so the 5.16 divided by 10 is the 0.5196 multiplied by 81, so 5.7156. Approximately for the round of figure 5.716 meter per second. This is the answer number 1. V minimum allowed. V maximum formula. There is a tan theta minus mu s, here tan theta plus mu s, 1 plus mu s tan theta, here for the 1 minus mu s tan theta. Remaining part is the same. 9.9, put the value of r, g is the 10, 0.5 plus 0.2, 1 minus 0.2 into 0.5, 0.5 plus 0.2 is 0.7, 1 minus 0.10, so this 0.9, so 7 upon 9, 9 1 is 9, 9, 81 is 99, and what is this here? 81 7 is 77, under root is the 77 is the 8.775 meter per second. Allow for the lower 10%, means the 100 minus 10, 90, 90 upon 100 multiply 8.775, 00 cut, 9 multiply 8.775 is the 78, so 7.896, 7.895. So here the round up 7.896. Approximately is the equal 7.896 meter per second. Otherwise for the 7.897 also no problem, both the meaning is the same. Next for the example number 5, very important, this example for the based on the pendulum, conical pendulum. A pendulum consisting of a massless string of length 20 centimeter and a tiny bob. Those for this the rotation of mass is the 100 gram is set of a conical pendulum. Its bob now performs 75 rotation per minute. 1 minute of the how many rotation of revolution? 75. Calculate kinetic energy and increase in the gravitational potential. Increase means the change in the potential, gravitational potential energy of the bob. Use pi square is the 10. So given capital L is the 20 centimeter. What is the 20 centimeter length of the string of the pendulum? This is convert for the meter divided by 100 to 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter, so, and m is the 100 grams, so 100 upon 1000 kg, 0.1 kg. Now, frequency is the 75 rotation per minute, same as the minute is changed to the second. 75 divided by 60. 75 divided by 60. So what is the here? 75 divided by 60 is divided by 60 rotation per minute with the 15 5s are 75, 15 4s are 60. So what is the here for the 5/4 rotation per second? G is the 10 meter per second square, pi square is the 10. First find out the time period. Time period is the reciprocal of the frequency. So 1/n, 1/5/4 is equal to 4/5. 5 1 the 5, 0.45, it is the 40, 0.8 seconds is the time. But pendulum formula T is equal to 2 pi root L cos theta. Squaring both the side, T square is the 2 square is the 4, pi square is the pi square, and under root is the out L cos theta upon G. But in the theory of the H is equal to L cos theta. And what is the H is equal to L cos theta? So what is the here for the L cos theta is G into T. G is the coming for the T square, Gt square upon 4 pi square. Put the value of the G 10 and the timing is T square. Sorry, some problem for the camera. Okay, now T square is the 0.8 square divided by 4 pi square, 10 10 10 cancel. 0.8 is the 0.64 divided by 4, so 0.16 meter. This is the height of the pendulum H. Now next point, for this numerical for the cos theta in the theory H upon L. So what is the here? 0.16 H divided by 0.2 L. 1.6 upon 2 to 1 the 0.2 is the 16. So cos theta is the 0.8, theta is the cos inverse 0.8. Use the cosine table, the 36.87 degree, this is the theta. Now in the theory of the linear velocity, V square is equal to Rg tan theta is always equal to the L sin theta tan theta. L sin theta G tan theta. Put the value of the R L sin theta. Put the value L 0.2. Solve some problem for the camera. Now the curve, okay, 0.2 into sin 36.87 degree into tan 36.87 degree. So solve for the table, for the log table, sin table, cosine sin 36.87 is the 0.6, tan 36.87, this is the 0.75 approximately or 0.8. Now this is solution, so V square is equal to 0.9. Next point, the kinetic energy formula of the bob 1 by 2 mv square 1 by 2 mass 0.1, V square is the 4th direct 0.9. And for 1 by 2, 0.1 into 0.09 divided by, so kinetic energy is the 0.045 joule. Increased gravitational potential energy is the delta P changes to mgh formula, but h is the L minus h. You know, by the matter of bob, the total for the length of the pendulum height is the length. So L minus h 0.2 minus 0.16. So what is the 0.1 into 10? 1, 10 1 the 1, 1, and 0.2 minus 0.16 is the 0.04. The changes increase for the potential energy is the 0.04 joule. This is the second answer. Now in the last problem I solve for the motorcyclists. Motorcyclists are as the particles is undergoing vertical circles. You know vertical circular motion inside a sphere of date. Same as the place of the date, you know, for these circles and something. The speed of the motorcycle varies between 6 meter per second and 10 meter per second. changes 6 meter per second and 10 meter per second. This is the between this speed. Sometimes the 6 meter, 7 meter, 8 meter, 9 meter, 10 meter, maximum 10 meter, minimum 6 meter per second, maximum 10 meter per second. Calculate diameter of the sphere. Update for the D and how much minimum values are possible for these two speed. Same problem. You see the vertical circular motion, the formula of the V1 is equal to under root of Rg, V2 is equal to under root of 5Rg, and V3 is the under root of 3Rg. Top position first, second is the bottom, third is the middle. But here the top and bottom only. So given VA, this is the A is the top position, 6 meter per second, and VB is equal to 10 meter per second, B is the bottom position. Total energy for the top position is always equal to the total energy of the bottom position. This is the law of conservation of energy. Total energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy of the A, kinetic energy and potential energy of the B. Put the formula of the kinetic energy 1 by 2 mv square plus mg. Top position, so what is the height? Diameter D. 1 by 2 mv square plus mg. What is the bottom position height? Is the 0, and this mg into 0 is the 0. H is 0 and H is D. M is the constant. 1 by 2 va square plus g into D, and 1 by 2 mv square. Mm is cancelled. So what is the next? 1 by 2 va square. Va is the put of 6 square plus 9.8 D. Here G value is for the use for the 9.8. And 1 by 2 Vb square the 10 square. 6 square 36, so 2 is 1 the 2, 2 8 the 36, 2 8 the 16, 18, 2 the 36, 9.8, 2 1 the 2, 2 5 10, 50, 18 plus 9.8 D is equal to 50, 9.8 D is equal to 50 minus 18, this is 32, so D is equal to 32 upon 9.8, so what is the diameter? This is solution for the 3.26, approximated 10 of 3.2 also. 3.26 meter. Radius d upon 2, 3.26 upon 2, 1.63. What is the V1 for the first position? Top position root Rg 1.63 into 9.8, 15.974 of under root of the 15.974 is the 3.9967, approximately 4 meter per second. This is first answer. Second answer, V2 is equal to under root of 5Rg. Root 5 is the separate into root Rg, and root Rg already solved for the 4. Root 5 into 4, since root Rg is equal to 4. So 4 root 5 meter per second, V2 is the answer number third. And answer number second is the 4 meter per second, and answer number 1 is the diameter. Okay, any problem for this chapter, any numerical, any formula, please ask me friendly. Inshallah, the next spread for the new chapter start.